Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company, so she is going to share her experience.
I'm Prakruthi M P. I'm from Shimoga. I have completed BE in Computer Science from Government Engineering College, Karwar. My experience at PySpiders Rajajinagar very good, and I joined June 2024. And I want to thank for Alex sir and Keshav sir and Murli sir and all and boot camp and grooming sessions were very helpful for us.
So which company you got placed and which are all activities helped to crack interview?
Boot camp and stage presentations and mock interviews.
Okay, so congratulations.
Thank you, sir.